Print your design on the shiny side of the sublimation paper. When sublimating a T-shirt, start with the pressure adjustment. You want to achieve a light to medium pressure. Once set, place the print onto the T-shirt face down and use heat-resistant thermal tape to hold it in place. Only use 100% polyester or spandex, or 75% polyester with 25% cotton, and use white T-shirts only. When doing sublimation heat pressing, always use Teflon at the top and at the bottom. Now set your temperature at 200 degrees Celsius and the timer to between 60 and 90 seconds. The sublimation ink bursts at 200 degrees Celsius, and allowing for between 60 and 90 seconds of burst time will ensure the ink embeds itself onto the T-shirt. Once done, remove the sublimation paper immediately. And there you go. I hope you enjoyed this help tip brought to you by AM.CO.za. And if you are interested in the purchase of heat presses, sublimation paper, sublimation ink and sublimation blanks, you're welcome to call AM.CO.za sales on 060 600 6000. Thank you for watching and happy sublimating.